Hello dear children, good morning everyone. Yesterday we have seen in our computer science topic lesson 5 Microsoft PowerPoint some interesting topic, and today we are going to see another interesting topic, that is built-in themes, built-in templates. So first let us know what is built-in templates. Built-in template in the sense, when we install a Microsoft PowerPoint, they have given already some built-in templates. Template means we can just edit, and according to our wish we can modify that. If you want to change the color, we can change it. If you want to change the font style, we can change it. We can do everything in that. So they have given already the built-in templates. So with using built-in templates, what we can do, we can reduce timing of making presentation. Whatever we can make the presentation for any purpose, we have built-in templates. So if you don't like the built-in templates, whatever is there given already in that, we can change according to our wish. So let's see first what is built-in templates. So changing the color, everything we can see it the next class. Maybe upcoming classes we can see that. Today first see what is built-in templates and where it is available. That's what we are going to see today. Very simple, right? So here we go, built-in templates. Built-in template in the sense, it is already there in the computer. We don't need to do anything. So they have given already some built-in templates. Let's start where it is there. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 does not contain the auto content wizard for creating a presentation. So it is not having. First let us know what is auto content wizard. Auto content wizard in the sense, it will not create by itself, right? Does not contain the auto content wizard for creating a presentation. We have to create everything. It will not create by itself. Okay. The next one, if you are new to PowerPoint, you can create your presentation quickly and easily by using built-in templates. So auto content wizard, that we don't have it, but what we have built-in templates. That's what we have seen. So by using the built-in templates, we can create our own presentation very fast and quickly we can make it, right? If actually we are new to the PowerPoint presentation, right? So by using the built-in templates, we can create our own presentation very fast. So keep that in your mind, what is built-in templates. Okay. The next one is PowerPoint 2010 templates include a sample slide show that contains various themes and layouts, including most of those that existed in the auto content wizard. But we don't have auto content wizard, but whatever is there available here, everything is available here in the templates. That's what they say here, right? PowerPoint 2010 templates, these are the keywords. Dear children, remember all these keywords. Templates include a sample slide. So when we open a template, what happens? The templates presentation, there are some samples, so that we don't need to worry about it. By using samples, we can edit by our own. I mean, whatever we wanted to change in that, according to our content, we can change it. We can modify that content. That's what they say here. It has sample slideshow that contains various themes, okay, and layouts, different types of layouts we have. That we will see that. Yesterday we have seen how to open layouts, right? And today, so the layouts, including most of those that existed in the auto content wizard. Whatever is there mostly in the auto content wizard, it is available in the template, right? Yeah. The next one, templates give you an initial foundation to build a presentation. Dear children, by using template, that's what I have seen the starting of the class. Using template, we can create our presentation very fast. We can save our timing. Here, templates give you an initial foundation to build a presentation. Okay, we can modify text and the design of the template. That's what I said. Here we can modify text. So according to our text and content, we can easily modify them, right? And design, what if you don't like the color of the text, we can change the color of the text. And slide shows, we can change it. Everything we can change. And sometimes if you don't want that style, that slide, even we can delete it, right? Design of the template, and we even can add pictures, sounds, company's logo. We can do everything. If you are going to present a presentation on behalf of any company, we can change the logo of the company also. Anything we can do it. Whatever we think in our mind, that we can apply in that presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint. Not only 2010, the latest version, the old version, everything, we can do it, right? So, or can also delete existing contents from the template. That's what I said before. If we don't like the design, we can delete it and we can change it. And if it is there more, we can reduce them. So that's what they say here. Very simple, dear children. I like to work with the Microsoft PowerPoint, right? So here we have creating a presentation using built-in templates. So now we are going to see how we can create. So far we have seen what is a built-in templates, right? Now we are going to learn how to start, how to create a built-in template. I mean, here it is already creating a presentation. We are going to make a presentation using built-in templates, right? Here is a picture. How we can, maybe in your book it is given very clearly. Since I have taken a snap of it, it is not clear enough. But see it in your book. It is given figure 5.5. Selecting sample templates. Now we are going to select the sample templates. How? After opening the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, click on File tab, New option. So we know it already how to create a new presentation, right? The same way, if we want to create a new presentation, what we supposed to do? We have to go to the File tab and then click on New option. Okay, and then under the available templates and themes section, select the sample templates. There are plenty of sample templates, you may have it. You can see that. So from that, whichever template that we need, select them. Okay, and select introducing PowerPoint 2010 from the displayed list. Dear children, we may not have this particular name template. Why? Because I use 2013, but we are learning 2010. But moreover, everything is similar only. Don't worry about it. So I will give you an example, demo example by using different template. Don't worry about it, right? And the next one, after selecting the template, click on Create button. The selected template will open as a new presentation. Okay, dear children, whatever template that we have chosen it, we have to afterwards, after selecting that, we have to create click on Create button. Afterwards, it will be created. The selected template will open as a new presentation, not with the existing one, right? It will create a new presentation. Clear? So this is how we have to do it. See here. So we have to start with the presentation. This is sample templates, which is given in your book very clearly. This is a sample template. Here it is given different layouts. So according to our layout, we can change. Here it is given some layout, PowerPoint 2010. In this template, if you don't like this color, we can change it. And if you don't like this font style, you can change it. And if you want to change the name, we can change it, because it is given the template. Okay, dear children, see here, this new presentation contains 20 slides illustrating different slide layout, backgrounds, themes, right? Different types of names, colors, font style, everything we have, background color, everything we have. So we can change them. If you don't like that color, font, content, we can change it. I'll tell you how to do that. I will show you how to do that. Now, add a text in the placeholder of each slide and view. We can, according to our wish, according to our content, we can edit the template using placeholder. There we can add our text, everything. Now, I'll just show you the demo how to do that everything, right? First, we know how to create a new file, right? So, for that what we supposed to do? We have to go to the file. Go to the file and click on new, what is given, how it is given the instruction in our slide. So, likewise, click on new. When I click on new, everything changes here. So, we can see blank presentation. Yesterday we have seen the blank presentation, but see here this side, everything has some different colors, different types of text and the background color, and everything here is different. This is what we say a template. This is called template. Even down, see here, there are plenty of templates. If you have an internet connection, even you can download that, right? First time, if you have internet connection, net connection, you can download that. We have plenty of templates. So for the timing now, animal, I'll just open this template for you to show. I'll open this template. Click on whatever template that we need. Just click on that template, and then we have to create that. We have to click on create. That's what we have given instruction, right? So create. So when you create, it will download. First time, it will download from internet. Then afterwards, we can open it automatically. So since it's the first time, I create that. See here, after creating it, the background color is changed. I mean, the dog is there here, right? This is a different template it is. Here, title, lore, IPS. So here, if you don't want, we can change it. This is called placeholder. By using placeholder, we can change it. This is a template, right? And here also, see here another template. Here we have a different color, different 3 circles we have. Everything can be changed here. If you don't want here downside, move it, the circle. Here you can move it. And if you don't want that, even we can delete it. It will be deleted. Okay, the dog can be also deleted. Delete it, it will be deleted. Instead of dog, we can place some other pictures here, and here, this I don't want. Here title, I'll give you title here, PowerPoint, okay, PowerPoint 2013 or 2010, okay, and here I'll give you, I can type computer science, okay, and I don't want here the font size is very small they have given, so select that and you can increase the font size. 16 it is here, I will give 40. See here, changed. And in case if you don't want this background, you can change it. Click on deleted, and we can change design. Can change it. Change the design. So this is one type of template is here something is given, we can change it, whatever we wish to change we can change. This is called a template, right? This is called template. It will reduce our time to make a presentation. I will give you one more demo how we have to insert a template. First we have to go to file and then click on new, and a blank presentation we have learned before, and it is here we have downloaded already. So I will just open it another one, education here, education one. I will let's wait. So for the education I will open this one, okay, here the education presentation I will open that. So I need this template because I want to create a presentation for education purpose. So I need this template to make make my presentation in a short time. So click on that. So when you click on that, then afterwards we have to create. We have to click on create. So after clicking on create, it will take few seconds. If it is based on your net connection, so it will take few seconds to open it. When it opens, and then you can edit it according to your class, according to my class. I can edit everything, right? Whatever I want to insert that class materials, I can insert that. So it is open now. See here, it has plenty. It has plenty of designs. I'll just close that. Okay, what happened? Yeah. Okay, fine. So here, templates here, see here, it has 19 slides. It has 19 slides. According to my wish, I can give here my educational purpose. I mean class topic here, subtopic I can give, and here I can start different style, layout is different. Here I can give one point, here another point, topic of my class, subtopic, and here I can give based on my topic, I can give a picture here, and here another one. Here different background color, different types of content I can give. Sometimes the font size will be very small, which may not be visible to the students or listeners. So we can increase it. There are plenty. See here, another one. This is a template we can see. I can insert the table. I mean, we don't need to insert anything extra. Here we can utilize it. Another one, this type of slides. So this is a template editing instructions. So this is a template. According to my content, I can change it. This is how we have to use. This is how we have to use the templates. Yes, dear children. So today's class, what we have learned, how to create built-in templates and how to modify that we will learn it tomorrow to the tomorrow's class. And today, first learn how to insert a built-in template and also how to create it, and first know what is template. So if you have a computer at home, please try to do that. Practice it. Why? Because if you practice once, so it will be very easy for us to understand. So learn properly, be at home, learn everything properly, and read your textbook line by line, so that it will be very easy for you. Thank you.